Hello all, welcome back to Tech Career Hubs. Wipro started hiring freshers via off-campus drive. If you are from BE or B.Tech or MCA qualification with 2025 passed outs, you can definitely apply for this position. This is from the only 2025 passed out candidates. So, if you selected for this trainee role, you need to sign that service agreement for 12 months. And shift timings is the 5:30 p.m. to 3 a.m. Total 9.5 hours. For the mode of the technical interview is the face-to-face interview in Wipro Noida office. Before that, you need to clear the one online assessment. That online assessment you can attend in your home only. For this position, this all are the technical skills, guys. Before going to apply, based on these skills, you can recreate with your resume with best ATS format, guys. Okay, see the skills: SDLC, SAS, mainframes, principles and the concept, and knowledge in simple and the complex SQL queries, along with writes the intermediate SQL queries and principles of the automation testing, and some exposes might be desirable, etc., etc. And this all are the along with that basic database concepts. Okay, if you have these skills in this, you can definitely apply for this position. We'll see the how to apply for this. First, give your entire name, Venkata Srihari. That's it. Then give your contact number, 9963. So enter your full contact number here. Then give your mail ID, srihari@gmail.com. Give your entire mail ID. Then select your gender, mm, gender male or female, and select your highest qualification: BE or B.Tech or MCA, BCom, MCom, etc., etc. And branch: computer science, లేదా CSC or ECA, civil, etc. Based on your branch and department, you can give. And passed out 2025, and current location Hyderabad. Name of the college: Yogi Vemana University. And university is Yogi Vemana University. And confirm which of the following documents you have: degree certificate or provisional certificate or a consultation mark list. I have the also. I am selecting this all. and full current address with your pin code: Manneguda, Hyderabad 516, sorry, 510501. Guys, you can you can enter your details carefully. Okay, here what you have in your Aadhaar card or PAN card, you you can give that full address only. Okay, just just I am giving the randomly, that's it. And are you comfortable to serve the 12 months service agreement? Select as willing to. Will you be able to attend face to face interview in the Noida office? Then select as. Then all of the above information are true and acknowledged by you. Then select yes. Then click on the submit. That's it, guys. So your response has been submitted. If you are from the south states or Hyderabad, Bangalore, or Chennai, you can also definitely apply for this position. Why? Because if you have selected for this position, you can directly transfer to Noida to Hyderabad or Chennai or Bangalore. For this type of the latest job updates, career guidance, resume building, etc., etc. unit, you can definitely subscribe my Tech Career Hub channel, guys, for this latest job updates, etc., etc. Bye. Jai Hind.